So this free Etsy research tool finds all of the best selling products for whatever micro niche you want to target. And if you are doing your product research without looking at data, or if you're buying a lot of tools and you feel like it's difficult to actually use something for free that will give you good results, this tool is going to change the game for you. Not only can you find best selling products that you type in, but one area where I think a lot of people struggle is knowing what to search up, like knowing what to look for. And this tool has over 100 micro niches that most people don't even think about. Like this one here, the book lover niche. You click on this button and it's going to find all the best selling products in the book lover niche. Like this one here, that's definitely bringing in popular trending styles and it's already a best selling product. This is the power of getting into this tool and finding all of these micro niches that most people miss and actually bring current styles into that space so you can start making sales on Etsy. So in today's video, I'll share with you some of my most popular macro niches that no one knows about and how you can access this same tool to find these yourself. If you're new to the channel, my friends, my name is Jay. I teach how to create and sell online with Etsy using AI tools to speed up your entire process. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to find these best-selling products on Etsy that most people don't even know exist, but it's clearly making people tons of sales. So the tool that I'm using to do this is my Niche Master tool. This is a tool I built from the ground up for you to make it easy for you to know, first of all, what bestsellers are, how to find them very easily, and how to start thinking about how you can launch high quality products in these micro niches that most people miss out on. So again, this is a totally free tool that you can use right now today. If you do want to get access to this tool, I'll leave the link down below. It'll take you over to this page where I'll send you the link to this, as well as a 30-minute free training to know how to actually make your products sell well. So as soon as you get this link, it'll take you to the Niche Master tool here. And you can click on the top portion where it says Niche Finder. And from here, you can select whatever product category you're selling. We have a couple here for you. Let's just say if we're selling t-shirts, I can go ahead and select the product category t-shirt. And let's just say, for instance, I'm searching up things for back to school. I can go ahead and hit back to school or type this in. And once I have my micro niche that I want to target, all I have to do here is search best sellers on Etsy. And this is going to take me to all the best sellers that's found on Etsy right now. So this helps you just not understand what is selling well, but also what is currently selling on Etsy, so you know where the money is being spent and where people are making massive sales. So as you can see here, we're in a back to school niche here for bestsellers, and we can see all these bestsellers here on Etsy. And I like to work by speed, and so I know that a lot of people say you can go into the URL and change the star sellers badge to bestsellers badge, but again, to me that takes time. I like to have a tool that I can click one button and it goes, and one button and goes, because time is money, right? And so I like to have simplicity and also speed, and this definitely speeds up the process. But one area that I think this tool really shines that URL type of hack cannot do is that I have already shared with you over 100 micro niches that you can do the same thing for find bestsellers, but these micro niches most people don't even know exist. So if you go down to the niche cards over here, you can see there's different categories for these cards, like pop culture or funny and sarcastic. We have animal and pets and hobbies and interests. But if you click on this, it'll show you these micro niches that, again, most people don't even know exist or haven't even spent time considering. And if you head over to one like this one, where it says book lover, you can click on this. And now it's going to do the same thing before. Look for the book lover products, but it's all going to be bestsellers, and every single thing on here is selling extremely well. Now, this is important because you can find that if you head over to popular seasons like 4th of July, there's tons of current design styles that are selling extremely well, right? We see the patchwork style like this is selling well. We're starting to see this stamp type of layout is doing well. We have seen these type of chalk type of clay styles like this doing well. So these are all current trends that, again, was kind of just around the last few months here. But the thing about this is that if you head over to these micro niches like the book lover niche, most of these niches are not up to date with the current styles and trends that Etsy shoppers love. This one here is probably the only one that's using this striped background here that says books and coffee, which is a phrase that has been on Etsy forever. But the reason why it's doing so well in a short amount of time is because it's bringing in that popular stripe background we have seen to do well all over areas like in the summertime niche. So that's the power behind this tool, that it shows you these micro niches where these current trends are not even visible there. But if you implement those trends into these micro niches, you can absolutely make sales, just like this person is doing here. And you'll see this as well. If I scroll down here, you'll see that most of these products are really old. This has been around for 29 months, 10 months, 2 months, 5 months, 8 months here, 9 months here, still best sellers. This one here, 9 months, 14 months, 8 months. Again, they're all selling well, but they're missing the current design styles and trends that are doing well. So you can take these micro niches and be one of the first ones and few ones to start incorporating those styles that are clearly selling well, popular niches like the summertime and 4th of July. That's clearly showing these current styles like this impasto paint and this stripe background here that's very trending, and even a combination of both of those, right? If I head it back over to my niche card here within my niche master tool, I think even going into the camping life can be a good opportunity for you to sell as well. Again, these are best sellers, so there's definitely money to be made here. But as you can see, 14 months, 11 months, 21 months, all these are old designs that's not up to date with current trends. I think this is an easy place for you to kind of flood the market with the current trends that are doing well and definitely sell there. I think another one to target as well is, as you can see here, we have the same thing going on here. 7 months, 11 months, 6 months old. Go down a little bit further here, 12 months, 3 months old. And when people say the Etsy marketplace is saturated, you got to look at these micro niches and really ask yourself the question, what is really competition, right? But when you really break down what is truly competition, there's really not a lot of competition in these micro niches, because competition involves being the one that's bringing in the current styles. And as you see, not a lot here. So that's definitely one I would target. If I head over to another niche card like occasions and life events and open this up here and head over to bridesmaid shirt, as you can see here, definitely bestsellers here. So we know this is a niche that's clearly selling well. People are searching this up and looking for items in this area. But again, one of the things I see is that there are a lot of old products here, 9 months, 56 months old, 7 months old, 9 months old, a ton of things here that's not bringing in current styles or current trends like the impasto paint style or the patchwork style or the jean type of text-based style that we see here, or even something as subtle as this type of bow style that we have seen to do well all over Etsy. As we go back here, there's not a lot of products that's showcasing this in a massive way. And this is the easy way for you to break through the market and be one of the first ones and few ones to actually offer the impasto paint, the jeans type of patchwork, the floral type of design that we have seen to do well, the stripe background that is clearly making sales, bringing in this nice coquette bow style that has been trending all over Etsy for the last 5 months. I just think there's so many opportunities for you to jump into these micro niches like this one here, prime example, right? Bring in text plus the impasto paint style. I think there's a lot of opportunities you can use to take these things and go into these micro niches where these styles are just not visible and be one of the first ones and few ones to be here. So the last one that I would definitely encourage you to do as well is head over to the niche card sports and fitness. And you can see this is extremely important when we come into the fall season where a lot of these sports are really going to kick off. Like we see here, football mom and cheer mom and so many others here. There's a lot of opportunities for you to go in here and fill in the market with those current trends that we know to sell well. So I want to click on cheer mom here. And as you can see, obviously bestsellers, everything's selling here. So that confirms to us this is a great market to target. But again, as I go through this, again, a lot of these are old, 28 months, 5 months, 13 months, 11 months. They're definitely having people purchase this because if they didn't, it wouldn't be bestsellers all over the place. Tons of bestsellers here. But the bestsellers are also older products and products that are not bringing in those current styles can do well. So there's a lot of opportunities that you can do, in my humble opinion, to sell well. If you want to get access to the niche master tool and go ahead and start doing this research yourself, I'll leave the link down below so you can sign up and get it. I have over 1,500 people that have access to this tool. And if you're not one of them, I would encourage you to go ahead and jump in this tool and start doing this research. It's absolutely for free. Nothing at cost of you except some time to put in some information so I know where to send it. And check out this next video here where I share with you the next step of how to take this design that you find with the Niche Master tool and make a best selling product from it. Go ahead and click the next video here.